Keeping in mind that citations are useful to establish the origin of an idea, how to find it, and to establish your authority, there are a few cases when this information is well understood and you don't need to provide a citation. When information is common knowledge, such as who the current President of the United States is, or that the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, or that Columbus is the capital of Ohio, then it doesn't need to be cited. Famous quotes like Patrick Henry's "Give me liberty or give me death," and idioms or sayings like "a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush" are also typically considered common knowledge and don't need to be cited. However, there's no clear standard of when something is common knowledge. The Purdue Online Writing Lab, or OWL, offers the guideline that if information can be found uncited in at least 5 credible sources, or if you think that your audience is already familiar with it or could easily find it, then it's probably common knowledge. If you're on the fence about whether to include a citation, it's better to err on the side of caution. Citations provide a record of academic conversation linking your writing with the thoughts of the people that preceded you. Don't ask yourself, do I need to prove I didn't steal that idea? You'll know better when to cite sources if you ask yourself, would my interested reader like to know more about this idea and how to find it?